Go.
To do work, one must have a source of energy. Long ago, people's primary source of energy for the work they did was food, for they worked with their muscles. The Banawi rice terraces in the mountain province in our country is the one of 8 wonders of the world. It was built through human effort and ingenuity. Later, people learned to harness the energy of animals to aid them in doing work. Machines were invented to do numerous works easier and faster. The change of energy from the form into another are useful. For example, energy of water from dams may be used to run turbines that will make generators work to produce electrical energy. The water and the turbines do the work and provide mechanical energy that is changed to electrical energy in the generators. Work and energy are necessary to every life on earth. In this chapter, you will learn about these two important concepts and the rate of doing work, known as power. Modern industrial society is highly dependent on energy, which our country must import. Work and energy are basics to life on earth. This chapter is concerned with energy, mechanical work, and rate at which work is done. Stop muna.
1 minute.
1 minute?
And mga 2 minutes na. Mga ano pa? Maski 3 minutes, ano lang, 5 minutes.
Okay. Can you imagine what would happen to you and to all the things around you if there was no friction? Everything would be sliding down. This is because friction is a force that wait lang, cut. Napapangirito ako. May iba pa?
Mas kaya rin dyan.
I-erase mo yun, ha?
Yeah.
Nahiya ako. Hindi ko nga ba alam kung bakit.
Ready?
Wait lang. Alam mo na, nagpa-practice pa. Kasi, kakaloka naman tong project na to.
Ito.
Dito sa pinakaulian, para kunwari mahirap. Pakikita sa ano, no? Mamaya ka na, pasaway ka.
Nadangog ka pati.
The color of lightning ay... Teka lang, may mga ano eh.
Mga numbers.
A person is said to be energetic when he or she does many things up without getting tired easily. This shows the relationship between work and energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. A wound, watch, spring, a car battery, a person who eats regularly, all of these store energy, giving them the capacity for doing work. The stored energy possessed by a wound, watch, spring is converted to the mechanical energy, which makes the hand of watch move. The atoms of the chemical substances in a car battery are held together by chemical bonds. Energy exists in these bonds. Often, when these bonds are broken, chemical energy is released. The chemical energy is converted to heat energy and mechanical energy. When the car engine starts and makes the other parts of the engine. Ano ba? Go. Okay na? How does a fireplace or a heater keep the room warm? When the fire is built or when the heater is switched on, the air next to the fire or heater expands and becomes less dense, hence lighter. This lighter air rises the surrounding colder, denser, and heavier air flows along the floor toward the fire or heater to fill up and partial vacuum.
Ay, tama yan.
Created by the rising warmer air. As the warmer air reaches the ceiling, it diffuses toward the other parts of the room where it is cold. Becoming dense and heavier once more, the air sinks to the floor from where it again flows toward the fireplace or heater. The cycle is repeated, creating convection currents inside the room. These circulating currents behave in exactly the same way as the currents generated by the heated water in the beaker in figure. Tapos na.
Yan. Yan.
When you eat and food is digested, chemical energy is released from the food and stored in the human body. This is used by your muscles when you play basketball and or badminton is as mechanical energy and converted to heat energy. The previous examples
Sige, patuloy lang.
shows that energy exists. Si Sir lang naman makakita niya. Exists in many forms. The major forms of energy are heat energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, and electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy includes light energy and the energy caused by the X-rays, radio, and TV waves, microwaves, and laser light. Nuclear energy refers to energy involved in nuclear reactions such as fission and fusions. These are other forms of energy may be classified into two different states, potential energy and kinetic energy. Stop.